Hello dear students, how are you? I hope so you are doing great. I'm Lakshmi, welcome to my channel Maths Super Tips and Tricks. In this channel, we're going to discuss about the various types of objective type examinations, especially JEE Mains and MSET, with amazing super tips and tricks I'm using regarding the maths. You know, maths is one of the major subject and there are the plenty of the topics, plenty of the applications. You may frame the in objective type examination, different types of angles you may frame the question. Even though you can solve it easily if you know the super tips and tricks, means shortcut methods. That is what I'm using in my videos. So I uploaded more and more videos. If you not yet watched my previous videos, please watch them, whose playlist are added in the below description. And also some videos links can be opened by clicking the I button on the top corner of the every video. Clear? Right. In today's session, I'm going to teach one of the important and quite interesting topics, very important for JEE Mains as well as MSET also. In Mains point of view, 2 questions is giving. In MSET point of view, 1 question. Sometimes you may go the 2 questions also in MSET point of view. It's a very important chapter. So already I uploaded 2 lectures, means 2 parts on this topic. The topic is simply planes. In this today's session, I am going to discuss about the planes as a part 3. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Without delay, let's get start the today's session. Right? Yes. Before start the today's session, I am requesting you all, please subscribe my channel if you not yet subscribed. At the same time, click the bell notification. Then every video notification reach to you for your better progress. Those are very helpful to you. Okay. So now come to the today's part, planes as a 3. So in this, first of all, you know, already discussed in part 1, what are the various types of planes, what is a concept, what is a content, everything explained in planes part 1. And also in part 2, I discussed about the how can you find out the central related questions and some points and illustrations also I did in part 2. And in this part 3, I am going to discuss about how can you find out the image and foot of the perpendiculars of plane to plane, line, point to line, point to plane and so on. For that, just you have to know one simple concept first of all. Already I explained this is in previous parts, but once again I am referring here what is a line in 3-dimensional, what is a plane in 3-dimensional. You know, plane is 3-dimensional, you know very well. 2-dimensional line is also there. In case of the line passing through 2 points, maybe passing through a point and whose DRs of a line ABC are given. What is that? Suppose this is a line. This line passing through the some point. The point is some P, X1, Y1, Z1 and its DRs. DRs are some ABC. Then this equation of line is, it is in the form of, what this is? Line passing through one point and whose DRs are ABC is X minus X1 by A is equals to Y minus Y1 by B is equals to Z minus Z1 by C. This is equation of line passing through a point X1, Y1, Z1 and whose DRs are ABC. Okay, like this. Sometimes instead of ABC DRs, we will do the another point like X2, Y2, Z2. So ABC we can find out now. Suppose here X2, Y2, Z2 and X1, Y1, Z1 are given. Difference of X coordinate like X2 minus X1 is A, Y2 minus Y1 is a B. Z2 minus Z1 is, you can take in a C. That is also same as this thing, because if 2 points are there, you know, how can you find out DRs of that line joining the 2 points. Here, just you have to concentrate at least, this is one of the line. What is this position passing through point and its these DRs are ABC. Now, we can think about the plane. Suppose this is a plane. Okay, this line is generally denoted as L is equal to 0. Plane is generally denoted as phi is equals to 0. So, from this standard equation of plane, we can observe that this standard equation, general equation, that is called Ax plus By plus Cz plus D is equals to 0. This is general equation of the plane. In this, what is the main point? The letters ABC. These ABC indicates what? These ABC are simply DRs of its normal line. Normal means what? Perpendicular line. This is, you know that clearly this line is perpendicular to this plane or not. This ABC indicates its DRs. This is very important point. Okay, first we have to know what is general equation of plane. What are the ABC? ABCs are what? DRs of its normal. Normal in the sense perpendicular line. That point is very, very important. And also, if these two plane and line are intersect, suppose this is line, plane and intersect, we can find out the angle between them by using the sine theta. Already I discussed in previous part. Between the line and plane we can use a sine theta. For that we can use A1, suppose here A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 is there. You know formula, cos formula, but between the line and plane we can use a sine formula. This side formula is same, like A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2. Like, okay, that formula already I discussed in, means that tip already discussed in part 2. Okay, so similarly, what are the conditions of the parallel planes, parallel lines, and the line and plane parallel conditions? All those are discussed in part 2. You can watch that one, whose link is there in playlist, as well as we can click the I button, right? So now in this today's session, I am going to discuss about what? Image and foot of the perpendicular. First, how can you find out? For that also you have to know one point. Suppose this is a plane. This is a plane. To this plane, like ax plus by plus ci, ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. I am asked the foot of the perpendicular. You can draw some point from the point some p, x1, y1, z1. Q is on this plane, like alpha, beta, gamma, where alpha, beta, gamma is what? Foot of this normal line or not, which is on the plane. Indirectly, Q is what? Q is lies on the plane. That is one point. And also PQ is normal to this plane. I said to you normal is perpendicular line. So for the foot of the perpendicular, shortcut method I am using how it is. Just you can understand the figure. You can understand easily. So what you can understand, Q alpha beta gamma is foot of the perpendicular P on this plane, means indirectly alpha beta gamma is lies in the plane, as well as PQ. PQ is what? Normal to the plane, means what? Perpendicular to the plane. And same concept, if you give this is a foot of the perpendicular case. This is foot. In case of foot of the perpendicular, if you ask. Now we'll come to the image. There is a difference in foot of the perpendicular images like this. This is a plane, right? In case of the foot of the perpendicular image, this is a perpendicular line, that is P, x1, y1, z1. Its image is somewhere else like Q, alpha, beta, gamma, with respect to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equals to 0. In case of foot of the perpendicular, compulsory that point is lies in the plane. In case of image, this is called as image. Image is also known as reflection. Reflection of this point with respect to this plane is some Q, alpha, beta, gamma. From this you can understand that as usual like this, PQ is perpendicular to this plane or not? Yes, PQ is perpendicular to the plane, as well as reflection means it's reflected means it is formed in the same distance from this plane. So what is the distance from here to here? Suppose you can take this is R point. From distance from P to R is same as R to Q, means indirectly this R is midpoint of PQ. And also this R is clearly lies on where? Lies on the plane. Okay, all these are helpful to use a short tricks. That's why you have to know the concept first. For the image, what you have to focus. For the foot of the perpendicular, what you have to focus. And what is general equation of the plane. What are the ABCs here. And what is general equation of line passing through the point x1, y1, z1 whose rears ABC is given. Already sin theta, etc. I discussed it part 2. In this session, I am focusing all these points, how it is. Okay, look at the questions. I will start the questions. Is it clear? Just you can concentrate on the concept. Then the plane chapter is so easy, right? Number 1, look at the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from 7, 14, 5 on the plane is asking. What is asking? Suppose this is a plane. To this plane, we can draw the perpendicular line from this point some P, 7, 14, 5. We need this foot of the perpendicular, some Q on this plane. What is the plane equation? 2x plus 4y minus z is equals to 2. Right, we can verify just without doing any formula. Just I am doing the verification like, you know, PQ is the DRs of this normal to the plane or not? PQ is normal to the plane or not? What are its normal DRs? 2, 4, minus 1. Just we can write from the plane, from this plane, what are the 2, 4, minus 1 are? DRs of its normal. From given plane, okay, what are those? 2, minus 2, 4, minus 1 are DRs of its normal. DRs of its normal. Right. Now we can find out the Q point which is there in the options. P point already is there. PQ is a normal line or not? Normal line DRs for which point it is coincide with this one, that only our required point. Simply, you know, those 2 points are there. P is here, Q is somewhere else here. And how can you find DRs of a line? If there are 2 points, yes, difference of x coordinates, comma, difference of y coordinates, comma, difference of z coordinates. Suppose if you think this is a Q point, 7 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 8. 14 minus 1 is 13. 8, 13, 5. Is it 8, 13, 5? No, no, it's not a first option. Second option we can check. 7 minus 1, 6. 14 minus 2, 12. Right? 5 minus 8, minus 3. We can minimize it because these are the ratios. 3 2s, 3 4s, 3 1s with minus. Yes. 2, 4, minus 1 is coincide with this point or not? So this is the same as this thing or not? Just we can use a short trick, that is a concept. That's it. 2, 4, minus 1, you have to minimize it. 2, 4, minus 1 is coincide with this one. That's where our required result is second option. Right. And one more point, I have given hint to you. Compulsory foot of the perpendicular lies on the plane. Means what? It must be lies on this plane or not also we can check it. You know, 2 into 1, 2, 4 into 2, 8, 2 plus 8, 10. Here minus 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Yes. It is clearly lies in the plane. Means what? What is the Q point here indirectly? 1, 2, 8. Like that we can verify the point verification or DR's verification. That is called a shortcut method. Now we can come to the next one. The image of 1, 3, 4 in the plane. Image. Image means what? Is reflected in same distance. Suppose this is a plane. This is a P point, given point I am taking as 1, 3, 4. Q point we want. Q point is what? Q point is there in the options. P is already there in the question. Same way we can check the DRs because this is also a perpendicular line. Okay, now what are the DRs of given plane, normal to the given plane? DRs of normal to the given plane, that is 2, what is that? 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, right, 1. These are the DRs of normal. Normal means what? Perpendicular line. Already P point is there in the given question. Let it be taken as P. We want its image. Q point we have to find out. Q is there in the options. By the options verification you can do it. You know, difference of x coordinates, 3 minus 1 is 2. Yes, 2 is there. Minus 5, minus 3, minus 8. 2 minus 8 is not at all 2 minus 1. That's why it's not first option. Right, now you can think about the second option. Minus 3, minus 1, minus 4. 5 minus 3, 2. Minus 4, 2. Yes, there is chance to convert this is. That is by options verification. We can think about it. Second option if you choose. Minus 3, 5, 2. Okay, right. What is the difference of x coordinate? 1 minus or minus 3 plus 4. 3 minus 5 minus 2. And 4 minus 2 plus 2. You know, ratios means we can divide. That is 2 2s, 2 minus 1s, 2 1s. Right. It is coincide with the DRs of the normal to the plane or not? Yes, this is coincide with this one. That's why option number 2 is correct one. Right. Previous questions I applied that. what are the tricks we are using. Verification trick I used there. Now I'm using the tip. Tip also we can use sometimes. What is that? What is asking? The image of the point with respect to the plane is asking. Image of the point with respect to the plane, which is given in EAMCET 2016. It is given in EAMCET 2016. We want to find out image of a point with respect to the plane. Okay, how it is? We can look at here. So I'm using the tip here simply. Yes, how you can get this one? Yes, you know very well. If x, y, z are images of a point, some x1, y1, z1. This is x1, y1, z1, you can think. Okay, what is the tip here? The tip I'm using here. That is x minus x1 by a. X minus x1 by a is equals to y minus y1 by b is equals to z minus z1 by c equals to minus 2 times of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by a square plus b square plus c square. This is there in 2-dimensional as well as this 3-dimensional also. In case of 2-dimensional, we can get till here only and no z term there. What is that? You know very well. The same thing we can apply here also. We can compare this is in the form of, plane is in the form of ax plus by plus cz is equals d or minus plus d is equals 0, we can write. Right. You know what is x1, y, x, y, z is image of the point 5 to 6. This is only I used here, that's it. You know, directly you can collect the solutions easily. You know what is the simplification? How you got this one? Directly you can substitute this point on the plane. You know, 5 plus 2 plus 6 with minus 9 minus 2 times by a square plus b square plus c square. That is 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square is a 3. So like that simple calculation you can do. You know what is simplification here? 8 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. You know, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 9 minus 1 plus 5, 4. 4 by 3 means minus 8 by 3 we can get it. X minus 5 is equals to minus 8 by 3. Is it clear? But taking minus 5 is that side here. 5 minus 8 by 3. LCM 3 is LCM 3 5 is 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 by 3. X quotient is 7 by 3. Which option? Is there in first option, third option, fourth option, means not in first option, second option. Now y coordinate we can think y minus 2 is equals to, this is also minus 8 by 3. What is our y? 3 to 6, 6 minus 8 is minus 2 by 3. Yes, there is in both third option and fourth option, means you have to concentrate z also. What is z coordinate here? Z minus 6 is equals to, I am doing here, z minus 6 is equals to minus 8 by 3. Right. What is z is equals 6 minus 8 by 3. 3, 6, 18, 3, 6, 18, 18 minus 8, 10, 10 by 3. Yes, x coordinate is 7 by 3. Yes, y coordinate is minus 2 by 3. Z coordinate is 10 by 3. That is clearly third option. That's it. Here we are using the tip. What is the tip? You know this is there in your 2-dimensional also. Right. Now we can come to the fifth question, which is given mains 2018. Which is given mains 2018. Here and here small correction is there. Q, P or Q is a foot of the image of the P in the plane. Yes, as usual given that. Suppose this is a plane. Okay. This is a Q is a foot of the perpendicular image. Q is a 0, minus 1, minus 3 is image of some P we don't know. Okay. With respect to the plane and R is some other point is given. You know already Q is there. We want to find out P point and R also there. There are the 3 points P, Q and R. By using these 3 points, we can find out finally area of the triangle. How it is? First, we can find out the image of the Q. Actually, image is given, P point we want. You know, P and Q are reflected to each other. Means what? P image is a Q, Q image is also P in reverse. Okay, that is only you are doing. I am using the short tip here, same tip you can use there to find out the P. What is that? You can think this is XYZ. X minus x1 is 0, by A is a 3, y minus y1, y minus of minus plus 1 by B is a minus 1 is equals Z minus, this is a given as 0, 1 minus 3, Z minus a minus 3 plus 3 by C is a 4 is equals to minus 2 times of, you can substitute this point directly in the question, means what in the plane, 3 into 0 is 0, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, 4 into minus 3 is a minus 12 with minus 2 by A squared plus B squared plus C square. A squared plus B squared plus C square means A squared plus B squared plus C square means 9, 3 square 9, minus 1 whole square is 1, plus 4 square is 16, right. You can understand here x by 3, y plus 1 by minus 1, minus 2 times of, minus 12, minus 2, minus 14, minus 1, minus 13, right. And 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 16 is 26. This is 26, this is also 26, means it becomes 1. From this, what is x? X is equals to 3, right. And y plus 1, we can equate like this. Y plus 1 is equals to minus 1, take the cross multiplication, and y is equals to minus 2, right. Next, one more point is z plus 3. Here, z plus 3 by 4. Means z plus 3 is a 1. 1 into 4 is 4. Yes, here z plus 3 by 4 is 1. Z plus 3 is a 4. Z is equals to 4 minus 3 is a 1. Right. 3 minus 2, 1 is a P point. This is plus 1. P point is 3 minus 2, 1. Now we can write the P point, Q point, R point here. I am writing here. P is a 3 minus 2, 1. Q is a 0 minus 1 minus 3. R point is a 3 minus 1 minus 2. To find out the area of the triangle PQR in case of 3-dimensional, you have to use a vector concept. Vector is a 3-dimensional only. Okay. What is that? The area of the triangle PQR is, area of the triangle PQR is half of mod PQ cross PR. We can use this formula. In case of PQR vertices of a triangle, PQ cross PR means what? Cross product of PQ and PR we have to find out first. PQ cross PR. How can you find out the cross product? We can use a determinant that of I, J, K. PQ means Q minus P. Q minus P means 0 minus 3 is a minus 3. Minus 1 minus of plus 2 is a 1. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4, right. Now PR, difference of this is 3 minus 3 is 0. Minus 1 minus a minus plus 2 is a 1. Minus 2, 1 minus 1 is minus 3. Now expansion of this is I into, determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Minus 3 plus 4 here is 1. Minus j into 9. Minus 3, 9. Minus 0 is 9 only. Plus k times of these two. Minus 3 minus 0 is minus 3. This is I minus 9j minus 3k. What is the area? Of must be and modulus of PQ cross PR. That is of must be, modulus of means root over. Vectors root over. What is the modulus of xi plus yj plus zk is? Yes, root over x square plus y square plus z square. That is you have to use here. X square means what? 1 square is 1 plus minus 9 square is 81 and minus 3 square is plus 9. Therefore, this is half of 9 plus 81 is 90. 90 plus 1 is 91 under root 91. That is clearly first option. Question is easy, but you have to concentrate area of the triangle also after finding the image. Right? This question which is given mains 2014. What is asking? The image of the line in the plane is also line. Means what? Image of line with respect to the plane is asking. Means it is not given the point directly. It is given that line image with respect to the line is also, with respect to the plane is also line. There are the 4 options like this. It's also same concept. Just I will draw the figure, you can understand. Suppose this is a plane, this is one of the line, this line is given. We want this line image another line with respect to this plane. We can understand that these 2 lines are parallel lines or not. These 2 lines are parallel line. This is given line, this is image line. These 2 lines are parallel means what? Those DRs are same. What are the DRs of given line? 3, 1, minus 5. 3, 1, minus 5 is where? This is also you can read this as 3, 1, minus 5. 3, 1, minus 5 is there. 3, 1, minus 5 is there. Option is a repetition. There is a repetition in the option. And also we can observe that this line is in the form of x minus x1 by a is equals to y minus y1 by b is equals to z minus z1 by c. I said already. Here x1, y1, z1 means we are passing to the point 1, 3, 4. Means what? The given line is passing through the point, some point we can take here as, what is that point? 1, 3, 4. We need the other line which is which has the same DRs, 3, 1, minus 1 DRs here. 3, 1, minus 1, 3, 1, minus 5. As passing through which point we can find out. Means what? Indirectly we can find out image. Image of this point with respect to the plane is a Q. We can find out that's it. Okay, what is the given plane here? 2x minus y plus z plus 3 is equals to 0. If you find out the point Q, this is DRs, ABC, these are the DRs. Okay, ABC this. We can find out the image point. What is the shortcut method I given? Yes, x minus x1. x1 is here 1 by a is a 2. Y minus y1 is 3 by b is a minus 1. Z minus z1 is a 4 by c is a 1 is equals to minus 2 times of, directly you can substitute this point is in the plane. 2 into 1 is 2, minus 1 into 3 is a minus 3, and 4 into 1 is 4 with the plus 3 by a square plus b square plus c square means what? 2 square 4, 4 plus minus 1 square is a 1 plus 1, right. Now here x minus 1 by 2 is equals to y minus 3 by minus 1 equals to z minus 4 by 1 equals to, how much this is? Plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 and 6 gets cancelled, only minus 2 is left over. Now from these two, equal these two first, x minus 1 is equals to 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, x is a minus 3, right. Now we can consider y term, y minus 3 by minus 1 is equals to minus 2 means what? Y minus 3 is a 2, y is a 5, right. Now next, z minus 4 is minus 2, z is equals to minus 2 plus 4 is 2, right. What is the point? Minus 3, 5, 2. Which one? Minus 3, 5, 2. Yes, this is clearly minus 3, 5 here minus 2 is there. Here 3 minus 5 no. Here 3 minus 5 no. But here minus 3, 5, 2. Minus 3, 5, 2. There is only in the fourth option. That's it. So point is there and DRs are there. That's it. We can use a tip and trick also here. Let's look at this question which is given mains 2020. It's a very simple question. What is that? First, it is also depends on image only. What is that? You know what are the various tips and tricks I am using to find out the image. Image is also known as reflection. You have to concentrate on your mind. In this question, the image of the point is given in the plane containing the points. Directly equation of plane is not given, but that plane is containing the points means what? The plane is passing through the points. Suppose you can think this is a plane passing through the points. I am taking these 3 points as some A, B, C for your understanding purpose, like A, B, C, 3 points are there in this plane. This plane is passing through some A, B, C points, and we need the image of this point. I am taking that point as some P, 2, 1, 6. We need the Q point, that's image. Okay, first we can find out equation of plane. You know, 3 points are given. What is the equation of plane? Already I have given various equations of planes in part 1. You can watch that video. Link is there in the playlist. Compulsory. We can understand this is. Directly we can find out the equation of plane like this. Finding plane equation. That's it. By this expression, you can get the equation of plane. How you can remember? Simply det of. We can use a formula that is tip we can use here. Directly you can remember that x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equals 0. This is the equation of plane passing to the 3 points A, B, C, that is x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z2. Simply you can remember this is x1, y1, z1 are removed from the x, y, z as a first row. Similarly from the x2, y2, z2 as a second row. Third row x3, y3, z2 like this. X minus x1 2, x minus 2, y minus 1, z minus 0. x2 minus x like this you can take 6 minus 2 4, 3 minus 1 2, 3 minus 0 3. Right, next same from here to here. 3 minus 2 3, sorry 5 minus 2 3, 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 0 is 2. That's it. By this expansion we can get the solution, that is only our plane equation. That is x minus 2 of 2 to 4, 4 minus 3 is a 1 with minus of y minus 1 of determinant. 4 to 8, 8 minus 9, 8 minus 9 is minus 1 plus z minus 0 means z only, z of 4 minus 6, 4 minus 6 is minus 2 is equals to 0. That is I am doing here x minus 2. Then minus or minus plus y minus 1 minus 2z is equals to 0. Okay, now this is x plus y minus 2z minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 is equals to 0. We got the equation of plane. This is the equation of plane. X plus y minus 2z minus 3 is equals to 0. Now can you find out its image? Simply, what is the tip? X minus x1. X minus x1 means what? 2 by a is a 1. This is a. Is equals to y minus y1 means y minus 1 by b is a 1. Z minus z1. Z minus 6 by c is a minus 2. Is equals to minus 2 times of what I said. Directly you can substitute this point. This point is in the plane. 2, y is a 1. Minus 2 into 6 is minus 12 with minus 3 by a square plus b square plus c square, that is a 1 plus 1. 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, minus 2 whole square is 4, means it is 6. By the simplification here, minus 3 plus 3 cancelled, minus 12, minus 2, minus 24, 6 4 is 24. This is with the minus 4 you can get. Right, minus 24 by not minus, yes, plus 24 you can get. Here plus 3, minus 3 gets cancelled, minus 2, minus 12, minus 12 minus 2 is plus 24 means 4 we can get. Therefore, x minus 2 is equals to 4, x is equals to 6, right. Next, y minus 1 is equals to 4, y is equals to 5, right. Now, z minus 6 is equal to minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. Z is equals to minus 2. But that point 6, 5 minus 2, which option? 6, 5 minus 2 is clearly first option. 6, 5 minus 2 is clearly first option. That is our image of this question which is given, simple question. Mains 2020. You know, you have to concentrate on the concept. You have to concentrate on the syllabus. You may frame the questions on the same concept, on the same syllabus in mains and MSET, but in mains point of view, some additional work you will do. Few of the questions, not for all. Here, what is the additional work? You have to find out plane equation extra. But in case of MSET, directly will give the plane, we may ask the image. Some additional work maybe will give in case of the mains. That is only difference here in mains and MSET. But concept is same for both the exams. Okay, because of syllabus is same. In case of the mains, some additional topics are also there. MSET no. Right? This is only how to focus in case of objective type examinations. What is the concept if you know? What are the tips and tricks you can, if you know, to save the time to focus the more number of questions? That's enough. So you have to do the practice sincerely, dedicatedly by applying the tips and tricks along with the concept. If you prepare, then it's very easy to focus your objective type of examinations. Nothing to worry. Okay, definitely you can get the best and better ranks. Okay, this video majorly I focused on what are the perpendicular and images, how can you find out. I hope so you follow this session, this video is very well. If you make sure enjoy this video, please like, share and put a simple comment. Then I feel more happy for my work. So whatever may be your requirement, also you can put a comment. Definitely I will fulfill your requirement. Okay. Can you? Yes, I hope so you can do it. Now I will conclude this video here. So I will come with new topic with new in new video with new energy. Till then have a great time. Take care. Bye bye.